welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a clean with me video of my whole house. Our house is currently on the market and we have a couple open houses this weekend. So today's my only day to really clean and get it open house ready. So if you guys want to see how I clean my full house to get ready for an open house, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off with the most important part of a cleaning day, a cup of coffee. I'm using my Keurig K-Cafe that I just got about a month ago, and this thing is amazing. It brews the best cup of coffee as well as froths milk, creamer, whatever you want to make a cappuccino or latte, and it is the best cup of coffee. Now I'm just going to clean off the counters and wash any dirty dishes using the Grove Collaborative Scrubber Sponge. I'm actually switching mine out because my old one was getting pretty worn, so I'm switching it out with a new one. This sponge is great because it has one side that's soft and then the other side is a non-abrasive scrubber so that I can use it on my non-stick pots and pans, and it really does clean so much better than any other sponges I've used. Now I'm going to use the Comet Soft Cleanser with bleach to clean the inside of my sinks with a sponge that I only use for cleaning. This product really cleans any dirt and grime that might be in your sinks, as well as leaving them looking shiny and clean. And then using the same cleanser, I'm going to clean my stovetop. This product is just so versatile. You can use it in your bathrooms, in your kitchen, on anything that just needs a really good clean. And then using my Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray in the scent peppermint, I'm going to use a microfiber towel and wipe down my countertops. Now I don't use a particular brand for my microfiber towels. I think these ones I actually just picked up at the dollar store. It was a pack of 4 for $1 and they've been working great for me. I think I have over 50 Bath & Body Works candles, so comment below if you're just as obsessed with their candles as I am. I just lit the scent Frosted Cranberry, which has been my favorite winter scent for a couple years now. Now, using some Windex, I'm going to wipe down the front of my stove, my microwave, and my refrigerator. Next, I'm using the Method Wood Cleaner, and this is in the scent Almond, and it smells so good. If you haven't tried this yet, I highly recommend you do. It cleans all the wood surfaces in my house so well, and I love using it to get off any buildup of dust or dirt that's on my cabinets, my living room side tables, nightstands, dressers, the list goes on. I'm just going to tidy up my living room, put pillows back where they're supposed to, fold any blankets that were out from the night before. Using the wood cleaner again, I'm going to wipe off this table, my TV stand, and the desk that's in my living room. And I'm just using Windex to wipe down these 3 big windows in my living room. Using the Purell multi-surface disinfectant spray, I'm going to wipe down my sink and the toilet in this bathroom. Inside the toilet, I'm going to use the Clorox Bleach toilet cleaner and then use a toilet brush to scrub it out. As you can see, I'm using the paper towels to clean the toilet. I just think there's something gross about using a towel on the inside of a toilet and then putting it in the wash. I don't know, maybe that's just me. So the only places I really use paper towels are the bathroom and on the windows. Now I'm just going to start a load of laundry while I'm cleaning the upstairs. And I use the Gain laundry detergent and the Downy fabric softener. And then this is the Bath & Body Works candle in the scent Leaves. I know it's more of a fall scent, but I love burning it in the bedroom because it just smells so warm and cozy. I usually wash our sheets about once a week, and I always have a second set of sheets ready to go, so that way I don't have to wait to make up the bed. I can just make it up right then and there. And I love having white sheets because I like to wash them with a little bit of bleach just to get them extra clean. Same thing with my towels. I love using white towels just because I feel like when washed with some bleach, they're just super clean. And then I'm using the Clorox bleach gel to clean the inside of my sinks. This stuff cleans so well. It gets out any stains, any dirt, all the icky stuff that can be in your bathroom sink. I also love to use it inside my shower as well. Then using the Purell multi-surface cleaner that I use downstairs, I'm going to wipe down the counter. I have the Shark Rocket vacuum and I love how lightweight it is. It has so many attachments, so you can do so much with it. Alright, now I'm using my O-Cedar Spin Mop and the Mr. Clean Multi-Surface Concentrate in the scent Meadows and Rain. If you've been looking for a new mop, you guys have to try this one. I got it for Christmas last year and I've been obsessed ever since. It's super easy to use and to clean up afterwards. Plus it's really inexpensive. And the mop head is microfiber, so it picks up literally everything on the floor without leaving scratches or streaks. Plus, the mop head is also detachable, so I'll wash it about every other use. I'll throw it in the wash, let it air dry, and it's good to use again and again. And the Mr. Clean Multi-Surface Concentrate that I use in the scent Meadows and Rain smells so amazing. It makes my whole house smell so clean. And this is the Shark cordless handheld vacuum that I'm using to vacuum the stairs. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this cleaning video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe so you guys don't miss out on my next one. Bye!